How to create such complex model in SketchUp. First, draw a rectangle, then extrude it. Now use Bezier spline tool. Draw lines. Now delete extra part. I need line only. Now flip it to mirror. Now here use Extrude tool plugin. Select first option. Now click on line 1 by 1. Here skin is ready. Now need support lattice. So draw rectangle. Now select rectangle. Now use option of Extrude tool. Now select line 1 by 1. Select this option. Now click OK. Here is the result. In SketchUp 2025 you can enable photorealistic rendering option for photoreal material visualization. If you like my tutorial, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.